tea gardens, which I got some footage of, as you're seeing here. It was very neat, and a lot of places to be able to sit down, and also it was neat to be able to walk through on these little stoves through the little water fountain area type thing. There was also the Falls River you can go and look at from the tea gardens as well, and it was just a really nice place to see some other water feature type things. And there were some sections in the Japanese tea gardens where you can actually put your feet in. This was not one of them, but it was really nice, and it is pet friendly, which was great. There are shops in the area here also, but we did not visit any, as I think quite a few of them had already been closing or had closed. But yeah, I'd highly recommend visiting the Japanese tea friendship gardens if you go here. This thing right here would make an incredible water slide, in my opinion, but hey, that's just me. Here's a quick little room tour. This is our bathroom in the hotel we stayed at. The shower was really nice. The shampoo and conditioner and body wash were already there. There's our sink. It was a very simple room. And then there was a kitchenette and a really nice sized fridge with a freezer, your typical coffee maker type setup, as well as dishes and a microwave and sink, the little couch sitting area, and the 2 beds with a little office type area and extra storage. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.